great view you have.
Well, thanks, Andrew.
Imagine that we are A feet above the Earth's surface right now, and that from the Earth's surface down to the Earth's core is B feet.
Okay, let's do that.
So what would be the furthest that we could see, assuming that there were no buildings here? So from here all the way to that furthest point on the Earth's horizon, what is that distance in terms of A and B?
Huh. Well, to answer that question, I think the first thing we're going to want to do is to call that distance C.
C for correct.
Oh, okay, so moving on. We're going to want to make 3 points. 1 point where we are now. 1 point, the furthest thing away we can see on the Earth. And third point, the center of the Earth. Connecting those 3 points is going to make a right triangle.
A right triangle? I mean, why a right triangle?
Ooh, that's a good question. That's because the line of sight that we have to the furthest point we can see on the horizon makes a tangent line with the Earth itself.
Isn't that only if you look this direction?
No, actually. It's going to be a right triangle regardless of which way you look.
Okay.
So from the Pythagorean theorem, which we know says that the sum of the squares of the legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. So in our case, that's going to tell us that b squared plus c squared equals the sum of a plus b squared. And furthermore, the sum of a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Okay, so the sum of c squared plus b squared is going to be
a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Is that the best you can do?
Oh, no, in fact it isn't. Once you have expanded the right side to say a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, you can cancel the b squared from both sides to conclude that c squared equals a squared plus 2ab. And, even better than that, since we know everything's positive, the Earth is positive.
And all those distances, A, B, and C are all positive.
And we're feeling positive.
I sure am.
Then you can square root both sides. So you can confidently conclude that C equals the square root of a squared plus 2ab.
Not bad, Jen. Not bad. Cheers.
Math problems, it's the end of the show. We are letting you go till the next episode. Try to crack the code, keep solving the play. Loosen up, do a couple math problems a day.